Hey guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome to another Sunday flea market haul. I hope you enjoy what I got. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get right into this flea market haul. I got 8 boxes for $2 of these organizing storage bins. I got them off the 25-cent table. Can't complain about that. Excited to have them. So, set that off to the side. I got this funky little flashlight screwdriver. I don't know. I paid $3 for it just because it was funny, and that way at least I can see what I'm screwing up. I got this Craftsman. I would call it like a Versasaw. It's pretty versatile. You can cut PVC with this. You can cut sheetrock. You can cut branches. You can pretty much cut anything. It's kind of like a silky saw, if you would, you know, but these things are really handy to have around, and I'm glad I picked it up. A couple of bucks. $2. I got a red diamond claw hammer, wooden handle. Happy to have it. It's pretty cool. It's the only wooden handle hammer I have, so $3. Got a Myers sewing awl. This thing's pretty cool. It has the original literature with it, and in the back here you open up this part and it's got all the needles and stuff that you might need. But look at that thing. That's pretty slick, right? Quite happy to have found that, especially with all the paperwork still with it. Nope, the original box. Man, you can't beat it. So cool. I don't do a lot of sewing or leather work, but hey, I got that. I got this Defiance Stanley hand drill. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. I think I'm just going to give it a hot soapy bath and let it dry. Maybe spray it with a clear coat and throw it on the wall, because this thing's awesome. $2. 25 cents. I got a new old stock gun oil. Pretty cool. There's plenty of oil in it. $2. I got a motorcycle license plate from 1985. I'm gonna send this to Big Vic. He asked me to find him some, so I found one so far, brother. Normally I'd be tripping over them because now I'm looking for them. I can't find them. From the 25-cent table, I got a Barnes tool company, a little F-wrench. It's kind of cool. It's in some pretty piss poor shape, but you know, vapor rust bath, some wire wheel, and cleaning it up. That thing will come out just lovely. Can't leave the market without getting a pair of Crowder anything, and I picked these up. These are the thin profile Crowder slip joint pliers. I already have a couple of sets of these, but like I said, I can't leave the market without finding something Crowder. Picked up a wooden handle screwdriver. I thought it was the ones that I was looking for, and I was wrong again. So anyway, I got another wooden handle screwdriver. I picked up a Blue Point wrench just because it was there. I picked up a Proto Challenger 14 millimeter. I thought that was the size I needed. I was dead wrong. I need 11, 12, and I need, I think 17, nope, 11, 12, and 16. So I need 11, 12, and 16 in the Proto Challenger metric. So unfortunately I'm still striking out. And I got a sweet little pair of Boker needle nose pliers. This is something I never find in my area, Boker. I don't know why. It's a quality tool. Maybe that's why, because people still hang on to them. But yeah, it's my first Boker I've ever found. Got a couple of boxes here. This is a bit set that I picked up for $2 because a coworker keeps taking mine and I'm tired of it, so I went and spent, you know, a couple of bucks so he can have his own and he can leave mine alone. I got a Forstner set, again, $2. I have a Forstner set, but it's the large set, so it goes from 1 inch to 3.5. This one goes from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, so I was missing all these. So quite happy to have this. It's going to be very useful in the shop. I got this Craftsman BE set, all 1/4 inch. I have a BE ratchet breaker bar, and I believe it's like a little 3-inch extension. When my uncle passed away, he left me some tools, and I have those. But I never had any of the sockets. Well, now I got the box, the sockets, and I can throw the other tools in here. The rest of this stuff is like, you know, for cleaning points and stuff. There's a bunch of points files and stuff like that in there, gaps and all sorts of stuff. So it's a pretty cool little hoard right here. I paid $20 for this. Thanks to my buddy Sam, who owns the Fancy Flea. He pulled me aside. He was holding those for me. So thanks, buddy. I truly appreciate it. I picked up 2 rusty boxes. These are horrible in nasty shape. This is a SK box, but what's cool about this is that it comes with the tray. You never find this tray. So I'm going to do a restoration on this box, and at the same time I'm going to do this box as well, because I'm painting them the same exact color, so might as well, right? This is an ultra heavy duty. Hear that? It's like super heavy. This is going to be a pretty cool cleanup too, so look forward to this video in the future. I got a Craftsman machinist vise that's going to go on my benchtop drill press. I do have one over there now, but it's flimsy. It's not really the best. This thing is like a little Sherman tank. I paid $12 for this, and I don't think this thing will ever wear out. So quite happy to have it, and I really needed it for my drill press. So super stoked. My big find of the day is this benchtop clamp-on vise. I don't know anything about it. I know that it's funky shaped. If you guys know anything about this, throw it in the comment section. The only identifying marks on there is patent pending. That's it. There's no name, there's no nothing. There's no insignia that I can see right now. Of course, it needs a full-blown restoration, which we are going to do this one as well. So we got some pretty good video content coming up with these flea market hauls. So quite happy about that. Put in the comment section what you guys think the best find was. Me personally, I would have to say the Craftsman BE 1/4 inch, the vise. Quite excited about that. And of all things, this damn license plate, because for the last month I've been walking around vendor to vendor to vendor trying to find motorcycle license plates, and I finally found one today. But any other time, because I'm usually not looking for them, I would be tripping over them. So at least I got one. Quite happy about that. All right, guys, like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.